Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Mazda 3 headlight lens. First, let's prepare. You'll need basic hand tools such as a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. Also, have a heat gun or an oven ready. Crucially, obtain your new headlight lens and a roll of fresh butyl rubber sealant. A clean, organized workspace is key for a smooth process. Now, let's get to removing the headlight assembly. Begin by carefully detaching the front bumper cover. This usually involves removing several clips and 10mm bolts located around the wheel wells and under the bumper. Once the bumper is loose, disconnect any fog light or sensor wiring. Then, unbolt the headlight assembly, typically secured by three 10mm bolts, and disconnect its electrical harness before gently pulling it free. With the headlight assembly removed, it's time to separate the lens. Place the assembly in an oven preheated to 200 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes to soften the factory sealant. Once heated, carefully pry the old lens away from the housing. Thoroughly clean out all the old sealant from the channel. Then, apply a fresh, continuous bead of new butyl rubber sealant into the housing's groove, ensuring no gaps remain. Finally, install your new lens and reassemble. Firmly press the new headlight lens onto the housing, making sure all clips engage and the fresh sealant forms a tight, waterproof bond. Reinstall the headlight assembly into your Mazda 3, securing it with the three 10mm bolts and reconnecting all electrical harnesses. Lastly, reattach the front bumper cover, ensuring all clips and bolts are properly fastened for a secure and finished look.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.